Alright, this is no way to start a video off. We have a dead battery. Thankfully Mike's at work, not real far away, but I'm going to try to go jump him. If we can get him jumped, he's going to run in, get a battery, and then we can get this video started. Not how you want to start out a weekend. Let's see if this car will jump it. There it is. She needed a little help. Are you going to take it in and get new batteries, or are we just going to plug in at the Miller's?
I have no idea I don't know if I can find any batteries right now.
Okay, well, Mike is on his way to town to get 2 new batteries, and we'll see how long that takes him. If it takes too long, we may pass for the weekend.
All right, guys, so we were hoping to be on the road already, but because this cold, I had my truck plugged in, but because it's been in the negative numbers here in Ohio, of course my batteries, we haven't changed the battery since we owned it. We bought it in 2020. And I guarantee they were the original batteries from 2019, so they're 6 years old. So yeah, I've got 2 batteries. I'm going to go pick them up, change them right there in the parking lot, and then we're going to try to still make it to our camping spot because we're Moochdocking this weekend at the Miller's house, and we're going to try to, we're just going to try to get there before it gets dark. Alright, that was my first time ever changing the 2 batteries in this truck, so I did it right in the AutoZone parking lot. So it is 2:55. It's an hour drive to where we're going, so I think we can make it before dark. So I got a 20-minute drive home so we can get hitched up and go, but I still need to take care of me after work. So alright, I'm on my way.
Okay, not a ruined day.
We are, man, it's cold.
It is cold.
We are, like I said before, we're going to Moochdocking in a friend's yard, and we got a festival to go to tomorrow, and that's about it. Yeah, and it's not even 20 degrees here. It's going to be a low of 10 tonight, so new batteries in the truck, we should be good. And I'm ready to roll.
Let's go. All right, we're enjoying our time with the Millers inside their house, the little snack and just visiting and catching up. I think we're gonna get ready to go to dinner. So while the campers are heating up, we're inside in their nice warm home. And yeah, this is gonna be about, we're Moochdocking. Actually, we're kind of we're not even boondocking because they have 50 amp for us. And so we're plugged into electric, but no water. And we are going to go out to dinner tonight, and then we got to go to bed a little early because we have to we have to get up early and go see Benny the Bass at really early in the morning. Rewind. And that's the first time I've ever played.
Yeah, and I didn't even practice. I just knew if I practiced it would go bad. All right, guys, we are getting ready to hit the rack. We were hanging out with the Millers in their home after dinner, playing some games and just talking. Tomorrow, though, we got to get up bright and early. We're the only ones getting up bright and early, let's face it. Nobody else wants to get up this early. Ohio has a version of, well, let's go back. You've heard of Punxsutawney Phil from Pennsylvania. Ohio has Buckeye Chuck, but they also have Benny the Bass. He is the fish that if he eats the worm, we've only got 6 weeks until winter, or it's 6 weeks of something.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be cold no matter what, but we've never done this. The 10 years of Buckeye Lake in Ohio has been putting on Winterfest, and we didn't even know about it.
We heard about it last year.
Yeah, I've never known about it though.
So we decided to try to squeeze it in this year.
Yeah, so 4 o'clock in the morning, rise. That's normal for me, but not for her. Nobody else wants to get up that early. So we will see you in the morning and see what we get into. Well, it is 4:43 in the morning. I just started the truck because it's like 7 degrees in Ohio right now. So when you have a diesel, you have to, I plugged it in last night and then you have to start it. But Joni's getting some stuff in the crock pot, so when we get back, we'll have something to munch on. But it's time now. We're going to head out. Hopefully there's a coffee place open. I really doubt this early.
Yeah, I know.
But we forgot our coffee pot again.
I have a pour over.
Yeah, we have a pour over, but we'll see if we can find some. And now we're going to go see Benny the Bass at the Winter Festival at Buckeye Lake. So hope you guys come along and enjoy the ride.
So I got us two donuts for the same thing, and it's a special. They're Billy the Bass donuts. Okay, we're at the Yacht Club parking lot, and this is where we're going to park for the day. Hey Mike, what's the movie that has the boy that dresses up so thick in his winter gear he can't hardly move? Yeah, I feel like the Christmas Story. I got snow pants on. I got heated foot warmers, hand warmers, heated jacket, hat. The only thing I forgot was gloves. They're at home on the table. All right, so it's gonna get a little colder. So they said something about Yacht Club. Oh, where all the cars are. Okay. Now at least moving will keep us a little warm.
All right, so the music stopped for a second. It is getting crazy. I hear a lot of people coming around.
Benny the Bass.
Benny the Bass is getting ready to have the bait, and we're hoping he takes it.
It's great to see y'all here. Who all's here from Lincoln County? How about my Fairfield County posse? Right on, right on. Any Franklin Countyers here? Very excited. So it's time to get the party on. It's time for Benny and the Benniettes. Let's roll!
Benniettes.
Benny and the Benniettes. Never heard of that before. So.
That's a good. By the way, that wasn't the dumbest thing we've ever done.
It was the dumbest thing we've ever done physically for cold and freezing, but it was very cool.
It was fun.
It was
like a very
fun.
interesting vibe because the locals love
this
whole
is just
experience.
So in this area, it's put on by the Buckeye Lake Chamber of Commerce and Hebron Chamber of Commerce, and this is the 10th anniversary, like I think we said before. But the fish did eat the bait.
Yeah.
So I was hoping for 55 degrees as soon as it ate, but that didn't happen.
Yeah, somebody was supposed to flip a switch.
So now we're going to go to breakfast.
Yeah.
We're going to meet our crew for breakfast.
Michelle grew up in this area. She knows all the cool places. So we're just letting her kind of lead our group.
Yeah.
And since we drove separate from the party van.
Yeah, we drove separate.
We parked a little ways away, so.
Because we came early, they didn't want to get up that early.
But I'm glad we came.
We got up against the bass. We could see
them.
Up
against the fence.
Yeah, so we could see them.
Yeah, so we were in the first row.
Okay, so I got to put you guys away. My fingers are going numb. It's freezing out here. Come on, spring.
I'm not sure if these are like places to stop, but one of the things about Buckeye Lake, this is a party event. So lots of bar hopping. There's some type of a bus that you can get on, but we were told the bus can be up to a 45-minute wait, so. Yeah, it's a drink.
It's an all-day drink fest, and that's not what we're about, but we wanted to experience the event.
Yeah. We'll still come back and show you guys some of the. I'd like to see some of the shops and the local stuff and get a really good feel for Buckeye Lake. I guess I am feeling it, right? Cold.
Starting route to Hometown Hot Dogs. Then turn left.
Hometown hot dogs. Does that mean we're having hot dogs for breakfast?
I hope not.
We're gonna find out.
But I hope not. Well, I see Hometown Hot Dogs. And Cheryl's right out in front of it. Hopefully there's a parking space in front of her.
Yeah, you could probably back in there.
But is it a parking space?
Good morning. How are you guys?
This is how these people roll. I'm sitting in it.
All right, y'all. So these are the kind of places that we love to come to. These are just hole-in-the-wall, mom and pop, best places in the world to just grab a meal. Been here forever. What's up, Ted? Been here forever and just serves really good food.
Yeah. It's Cliff's birthday today.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thanks, Mike.
So if you're ever, where were we at? Millersport? If you're ever in Millersport,
It's every video.
come to Hometown Hot Dog. Great crew. They got a great crew working, and it's just an amazing place.
Oh yeah, we're full tour of Buckeye Lake area. So we're heading over to some winery. I'm so full I can't put anything else in my belly right now. But we're gonna go check it out. So where are we at? Currently, John?
I'm not telling you. Over here. Right in here somewhere. Where was the bass? Somewhere right in
Where was the bass? Where were we at to see the bass?
Over here on the north bank. Where was the food was there. And now we're headed here.
So we're making our way all the way around.
Yeah. Doing the loop.
We're going to be full circle.
We're doing the loop.
City's dark, the winter cold, the raven crow, its wings unfold. The fly from me, the demon bird. I will not make myself the third. But whose is the voice now keeping me from rest? All I want is sleep. Whose are the hands pressed hard upon my chest? And oh, I can't even breathe.
You wouldn't think that waking up at 4 a.m. to watch a fish take some bait would be enjoyable. Well, I'm here to tell you, if you get the chance to go to the Buckeye Lake Winterfest, make the effort to show up for Benny the Bass's winter prediction. It had all the ingredients for a good time. Music, dancing, and fireworks started our day to explore the area. Once again, it was an opportunity to share in a community coming together to find the best ways to beat the doldrums of winter in Ohio. Yeah, RVing did that. Happy glamping.